Alright, well I've finished the install of the diesel heater in the caravan. Put him under this little lounge here. Cut some holes in the side, even though it doesn't need them because it's all breathing through there anyway. And run one vent sort of towards the cabin area, one vent towards the bedroom area, so to speak. Mounted the tank on the front, and I've protected it with those mats that you get from a supermarket, and slazzed them on with T-Rex, and the tank's screwed on, obviously. Run the heater pipe down here, filter there, pump there, to mounted under here. I haven't started it yet, simply because there's a wire touching that. There's always have to get that out of the way. Clip on that. Because it's 40 degrees. But I'll get that done. I'm just going to carry the muffler with me, and then when we camped I'll just pop it on. That's it then.